I'll now give you a quick summary of everything that I've said in this lecture. So I started with the problem of determinism and free will. It seems as though causes are deterministic. That is to say that everything that's in the effect was in the cause. And so there's no room for free will. There's no room for changing the course of things. Whatever is going to happen is going to happen. If that's the case, it's hard to make sense of moral responsibility. It's hard to make sense of the justification for praising and blaming people. I went on to look at the responses that philosophers give. The first one is libertarianism. Libertarians say, no, we really are free. We do have free will. The problems for libertarianism, very briefly, are it's hard to reconcile with a naturalistic worldview. It seems like you're going to end up committed to some kind of mind-body dualism. Second, it's hard to make sense of acting for reasons. So if we get rid of the idea of causes of our behaviour, then it looks as though we've inadvertently thrown out the idea of reasons for our behaviour, and we're left with a random behaviour, which is not what we were looking for. The second answer that philosophers give is compatibilism. Compatibilists say, yes, determinism is true, and we don't have metaphysical free will, but it doesn't matter. Determinism is compatible with us having moral responsibility. And we're morally responsible when the act is our act, when what we do comes from our motives, our desires, our character. And we don't have to take that step further back in the causal chain. We can just stop there and go, that's why we praise and blame you. The problem with compatibilism is that it seems too shallow. It's in some way avoided the deep question. It's palmed us off with something other than what we started looking for. And that's what motivates the third position, hard determinism. So hard determinists say moral responsibility is not compatible with determinism. We would need free will. And without free will, there's nothing. The issue for hard determinists is, what's the upshot really supposed to be? Is that really a practical claim? Are they really suggesting nihilism? That seems unlikely to me. So in that sense, I wonder, does hard determinism really advance the debate at all? Or is it just repeating the problem of determinism and free will? Thanks for listening.